Welcome, today I am with Anker SoundCore Boost speaker and I'll show you how you can connect this speaker to your Apple Watch. So at first on your Apple Watch you have to open the settings. Next you have to scroll down and go for the Bluetooth. And enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Right now you have to turn on your speaker by tapping on the power button. When this power button lights up on the blue, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So right now, on our Apple Watch, we have to take a look for available devices list. Just right here. As you can see, after a few seconds, our SoundCore Boost speaker is right here, so we can tap on it once. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.